expanded my body shop. I have doubled the size of my shop now. I am really pleased. As you can see, I had to go buy another canopy so the car would fit, so that when I paint, things wouldn't fall onto the surfaces that I'm trying to paint. So thanks to the folks at Academy Sports, they found me a 10 by 10 Z-shade, sport canopy. It's really nice. I'll let you guys know how well it performs. The other one I have is an Ozark Trail outdoor. My wife and I bought that to go when we go camping, and that served us really good. It's actually lighter than the Z-shade, so for camping it's like, or car camping I should say, or truck camping. It's good for it's a lot lighter to carry around. Yeah, the car fits nice. I got room to walk around, room to do what I need to do as far as the car is concerned. I pulled it a little bit over to this side because I'm not going to be working on that side, but I've definitely got all the surfaces. I'm not going to have problems with things dropping on it from the sky. Other than that, I think it looks really good. I think it's ready to rock and roll. But I'm afraid it's gonna have to wait until probably tomorrow or the next time that we meet in the next couple of days, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And yeah, I know it's under the canopy, but it's kind of hard to paint when it's damp outside without the proper dryers and stuff on the lines. So I kind of want to wait for a better day. Today would have been great, but no. So next time we are going to tape it off and we are going to paint. So stay tuned for the next episode, and thanks for watching. And as always, if you like, subscribe, hit that little button at the bottom that subscribes, and little thumbs up if you like the video, and yeah, stick with us. There's going to be a lot more coming. So this is, like I said, this is fun for me. And after this project, we got several other projects to do. So, or I'll be looking for another project to do. Just depends. Probably my wife's car would be next, because I want to sell it. Anyhow, y'all take care, and thank you for watching Backyard Bodyworks. My name is Robert.